Everybody gets sticker shock when they first learn how much a catalytic converter is actually worth. People treat them like they're just boring car parts, but they're loaded with precious metals: platinum, palladium, and rhodium. Often, the price tag can be more than your monthly rent. Let's get specific because people always want numbers. The average catalytic converter price for a standard car is anywhere between $100 and $1,000 just for the part. Honda, Toyota, and Ford all sit somewhere in the middle, usually around $250 to $700. The real wallet buster is for hybrid and luxury brands. A Toyota Prius Cat, which is absolutely the prime target for thieves, can go for $1,300 or even more. Prius drivers have become the walking around with gold necklaces of the parking lot. Honestly, the core pain point here is replacement costs. Installation and labor, depending on the shop, can tack on $200 to $500 easy. Suddenly, you're looking at a repair bill of $1,000 to $2,000 if your cat is stolen. Heavy-duty vehicles and trucks? That's another universe. Diesels, like the ones on a Ford F-250, can go $1,500 or beyond. Semi-trucks sometimes have units so big, we're talking $3,000 or more. Your wallet doesn't just ache, it begs for mercy. For people who wonder why these things could cost more than a used Toyota Corolla, here's a pro tip. It comes down to metals trading, not just shape or size. Rhodium, for instance, has hit $25,000 per ounce. Sounds bonkers, but that's the actual market. If you're planning to buy a converter, maybe to replace one stolen in the wilds of Portland, my advice is to check specific part numbers. Not all converters are built alike. OEM converters cost double what you'll pay for a generic or aftermarket part. But there's a catch. Most people don't realize that cheap aftermarket converters can fail emissions tests, which adds a whole new layer of pain. Plus, they hold almost no resale value. Scrapyards barely want them. A lot of shady folks are out there too, flipping stolen converters online. Don't risk buying from a sketchy seller. It's illegal, and you don't want a cop searching your garage because you scored a $600 deal on OfferUp. When asking about a price list, people also want to know which cars have the most valuable converters. As of this year, Toyota Prius, Honda Accord, and certain Mercedes and BMW models are at the top. Prius Cats keep cracking $1,000 no matter what. There's even an entire underground market for converter price lists, updated daily based on precious metal prices. Pro tip: try searching Scrap Catalytic Converter Price List plus the current year, and you'll find a dozen resources with up-to-the-hour pricing. One last headache? Insurance rarely covers the full cost of cat theft, thanks to high deductibles and depreciation. Always calculate your actual out-of-pocket risk. Sometimes a $250 anti-theft shield pays for itself instantly. That's my Scott in Portland 2 cents.